Why you're not broke, you're just operating from the wrong identity. Your bank account isn't the problem, your self-image is. If you're stuck financially and can't figure out why, this might be the hard truth that no one's told you. Today we're diving into the hidden role identity plays in your financial reality, why your income rises when your identity changes, and how to build your wealth avatar so you can finally break free of your income ceiling. Identity creates income. Most people obsess over strategy, funnels, pricing, productivity hacks, but the truth is strategy always follows identity. Your brain will never let you consistently earn beyond what you believe you deserve. Your identity always sets the thermostat. If you believe you're barely getting by, you will always sabotage anything that challenges that belief, even subconsciously. I want you to burn that in your mind. And here's the real kicker. Only 2% of people are creating from their future identity. They're reaching and reacting from their past. They're so obsessed with their old self. Most people think, my problem is money, my problem is skill set, my problem is knowledge, or lack of luck. But in reality, money is identity driven. You will only ever allow yourself to earn what feels normal. If deep down, you see yourself as a $50,000 a year person, it doesn't matter if you're giving $1 million opportunity, you will sabotage yourself. You'll find a way to shrink back down to what feels safe and familiar. Your self-image sets the thermostat for your income. Until you change the thermostat, nothing else changes, no matter how much harder you work. Now, I would love for you to put in the comments, I am ready to change my thermostat. Your brain will never let you consistently earn beyond what you believe you deserve. Your identity, not sometimes, always sets the thermostat. If you believe you're barely getting by, you'll sabotage anything that challenges that belief, even subconsciously. You're not just broke, you're loyal to an outdated identity. Your thoughts, your habits, your reactions, they were trained by who you were, not who you want to become. So even when you set bold, new, big, amazing goals, you're still filtering everything through an old lens, through your old self. And that's why nothing sticks. When your self-concept doesn't match your vision, you will hit an invisible ceiling. Here's the real trap. I want you to lock in what I'm about to tell you. Most people are making today's decisions based on who they used to be, not who they want to become. Your brain loves safety. If you grew up believing money is scarce, money is risky, or hard to earn, you'll unconsciously recreate those same conditions year after year for 50 straight years. Even when opportunity shows up, you'll hesitate, play small or turn it down, not because you're lazy, but because it doesn't match your past identity. But wealthy people, they flip the switch. They decide first who they're gonna be in the future, and they start making every decision from their future version today. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt the video. So a lot of you ask every day, how can I overcome this obstacle? Or how can I create a breakthrough in my life? Look, whatever question you have, I'd love to help you. Click the link below, fill out the information, and that way I can reach out to you and help you with a 15-minute strategy call. Your self-concept is your ceiling. You will never outperform your self-image, ever. Self-concept is the sum of your beliefs about who you are and what you're capable of. That's why someone can earn $20,000 in a day and still feel broke the next morning. If your identity is rooted in survival, not abundance, you will always keep creating just enough to stay stuck. So how do you break free from that? I get this question asked to me all the time. The easiest way is always the way. I remember years ago, I was always making it harder. I was always complicating things. Simplicity is what creates success, and I'm gonna give you the simple formula on how to break through that. I want you to test this for the next 7 days. I want you to make every decision from your future. That's how you break through. That's it. Every person has a financial set point, a number where they feel safe. If you start earning above that number, but your self-concept hasn't changed, the type of decisions you make, you will always sabotage yourself right back down. It might look like I'm having a record month, then suddenly unexpected expenses, self-image. Losing focus when you're finally gaining momentum, self-image. Passing on big opportunities because they feel too much, self-image. It's not bad luck, it's identity maintenance. Your subconscious is just keeping you consistent with who you believe you are financially. The wealth avatar method, this is a shift that is going to change everything. I know that because it's changed everything for me and for my clients. The wealth avatar is the future version of you who already has the life, the income, and the freedom you want. You don't wait to become them, you act from them right now. Ask yourself, how would my wealth avatar respond to this situation? What boundaries would they tolerate? And what boundaries wouldn't they tolerate? What standard would they never compromise? The more you operate from that version of you, the faster your reality catches up. I call it your wealth avatar, the fully realized version of you who's already living at your desired income level. This isn't fantasy. This is a blueprint for how to think, how to feel, how to act, and how to decide like that person right now. Not an hour from now, right in this moment. Here's how to install it. Number one, who is the version of you? How do they think about money? How do they earn, invest, and spend? I want you to pause the recording and ask that question right now. Number two, model it daily. Act as if you're already that person. Make decisions from that standard. Number three, align your environment. Surround yourself with people, tools, and reminders that reinforce that identity. And number four, repetition. Repetition is your game changer. Once this becomes your new normal, your income has no choice but to rise to match it. If you're ready to rewire your identity for income, click the link in the comments below to get access to the Wealth Roadmap. It'll walk you through how to install your wealth avatar step by step. You don't have a money problem, you have an identity gap. So here's your challenge. For the next 24 hours, act only from your wealth avatar. Make decisions like them, speak like them, move like them, hold standards like them. Then come back and I want you to tell me what changed. You're gonna see a massive shift. And if this hit home, go watch the next video, Why Motivation is Keeping You Broke. It breaks down the other half of the identity puzzle. If you're watching right now and you know you're meant for more, let's cut to it. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to book the most amazing strategy call with my team. And here's what we'll do. We'll map out exactly where you are now, diagnose what's truly holding you back, and craft an exact step-by-step strategy for your next level breakthrough. This isn't a call, it's a planning session. No judgment, no generic advice, just actionable steps. We only work with people who are hungry, coachable, and all in. If that's you, then let's talk. Tap the link below, book your spot now. Let's start shifting your trajectory now.